Hello friends, my name is Jaivir and today we are going to learn about consider a triangle A55, B85 and C510 and determine new vertex position if it is mirror about y is equal to 2x plus 4. So one line is given y is equal to 2x plus 4. We need to reflect our triangle from this line. It means the first position is this one when the line is given and point P means P matrix means this triangle with A, B and C vertices are placed at the one side of the line. And what we required reflection of it at the other side of the line. So it is very simple one, but we need to understand lots of things in order to derive these equations. Okay, first what we need to do? First we need to take y is equal to 0. If I am putting y is equal to 0 here, then what is the value of x? X will be minus 2. So I am taking point minus 2 here. This is minus 2, x direction minus 2. And if I am putting x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 4. Correct? So these 2 points will be generated from this line equation and we are able to find out the line through these 2 points. And I am placing randomly a triangle at the right hand side of the line. So first point is find out x and y values of points, which we are able to find out by putting x is equal to 0 and then y is equal to 0. And find out theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse m. M means y is equal to mx plus c. That is a simple line equation. So y is equal to mx plus c means m is equal to 2. If I am putting m is equal to 2 here, then it will gives me the theta in terms of 63 around 63 angle, 63 degree angle. So theta can be found out by using this equation. This theta is nothing but the angle which is intersected by the line. Okay. So first point is to find out the x and y value and then find out the value of the theta. Now second point is pass the line through the origin. We are knowing that rotation only and only take place when we are passing the line with respect to origin. Okay. So this 4 point is taken here at a 0 point. It means translation of the matrix in a minus 4. 0 minus 4. X direction there is no translation and in y direction from 4 to 0 means minus 4 unit. So Tx is equal to 0 and Ty is equal to minus 4. Okay. Now the third point is then rotate the line in a clockwise up to theta degree so that the line becomes parallel to the x-axis plane. Now reflection of the triangle about x-axis. So this is nothing but the reflection of the triangle about x-axis. For this purpose, reflection matrix, translation matrix, you need to refer the GTU, CAD, reflection MX matrix and T matrix. So these are the 2 different videos available inside the CAD playlist. Please subscribe on my button, then find out the playlist. Inside the playlist, select the CAD playlist. Inside the CAD playlist, first of all see the translation matrix in order to justify this path and rotational matrix in order to justify this path, and then MX matrix, reflection about x-axis matrix in order to justify this path, also this point. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to reflect this line up to angle theta. So I am putting that angle at the theta. So line is passing through the origin and now I am taking anti-clockwise direction rotation, and then we need to shift from this point 0 to the point number 4. It means positive 4 direction translation. So from this point of view, P dash matrix is being taken by the consideration of first of all the P matrix. The P matrix is nothing but the 5, 5, 1, 8, 5, 1, 5, 10, 1. How it obtained? The 5, 5 point, 8, 5 point and 5, 10 points given in the data. Okay. Now the T matrix. T matrix means first of all we need to take minus 4 translation. So this is second point. Second point is the T matrix. where I'm taking 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, it is the common one. Tx and ty value, tx value is 0, ty value is minus 4 because we are putting from 4 to 0, from 4 to 0. We are shifting this line to minus 4 unit in a y direction, that's why. So minus 4, 1. Okay, now the rotation is clockwise, correct? This rotation is clockwise. So clockwise rotation means theta is negative. How to find out theta? Theta is equal to tan inverse m, where m is equal to y is equal to mx plus c. I am comparing this equation with this equation. M is equal to 2, where m is equal to 2, theta is equal to tan inverse 2, means 63 degree around. And theta is rotational in a clockwise direction. So clockwise direction, theta taken will be negative. So cos minus theta, minus 63, minus 63, minus 63, minus 63 here. And this matrix is cos theta, sin theta, minus sin theta, cos theta. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1 homogeneous coordinate system. This is rotational matrix. Now then next point is mirror about x-axis. Mirror about x-axis matrix is given by 1, 0, 0, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. This is already defined previously. Then fifth one is the theta in anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction will be taken as a positive one. So cos theta, sin theta 0, minus sin theta, cos theta 0, 0, 0, 1. This is the rotational matrix. And last one is the inverse translation from the 0 to 4, means positive direction 4 unit translation in y direction. That's why this ty value will be 4, 0, 4, 1. So 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. Tx value is 0, ty value is 4 and 1. After doing this multiplication of the matrices, you will get this answer: minus 2.18, 8.6, minus 4, 11, 1.78, 11.6, 111. So that's it. This is the reflection about any line. Whenever there is a reflection about any line, then you need to follow the steps. First, what you need to do? First of all, find out the value of x and y and theta. Second, shift it to the origin. Third one, rotate it so that it will be parallel to the x or y axis. You can take any axis of it. Then mirror about the x and y axis. Then further take it from the inverse rotation and the inverse translation. The simple procedure. Now one can say that it can be transferred from minus 2 to 0. Correct? That can be done. So in that terms, the T matrix would be instead of 0 minus 4, the T matrix would be 2 0. 2 0. So from the minus 2 to 0, it means positive 2 direction in x direction it can be taken, and here it is minus 2 0 again. So that can be done. Also, you can take this theta angle, and that line can be rotated in terms of parallel to y, and then reflection about y axis is taken, and then line is shifted in clockwise direction. That can be also done. So these are so many possibilities. You can take any one of the possibility, but the thing is you need to clear from your logic. What is the logic behind it? That should be clear in your mind. You need not worry about writing this much explanation while the examination. You need to solve this example by using calculation procedure. For this is just for the understanding purpose. I hope you like this video, because more logic will be clear from this video in very best possible manner from my side. Please subscribe and like this video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks.